嚟到第12題，咁題目話咧 W 係 varies directly as square root of U in the inversely as V 嘅，咁我當俾個 constant 佢叫 K 啦，係啦，咁然之後佢話而家 U 同埋 V 都有啲改變喎，咁問你新嘅 W 係乜嘢？咁我叫舊嗰個 W 做 W1，新嗰個叫 W2啦，咁佢就會等於 K 乘開方 1.44U 再除 0.8V 啊，咁然後我哋可以將啲數字evaluate 咗佢啦，咁就得出就係開方，即係首先將佢哋搬出嚟，再撳計數機咧，我哋就會知道原來開方 1.44 除 0.8 係等於 1.5 嘅。咁後邊呢一個 expression 咧，其實就同我哋一開始個 W1 一樣嘅，咁所以我哋可以將佢擺翻落去啦。咁睇到呢一個 W2 等於 1.5 乘 W1 嘅時候，我哋就會發現啦，W is increased by 50% 啦。咁所以答案係 B。